through her nose on my face.
How long do you reckon she's been going now?
Oh,
3 or 4 minutes?
oh, not that long. Minute and a half, 2 minutes.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
Had enough, have you?
Job's done.
No,
Oh,
no,
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 more to go.
not quite. Oh, she's got the upper half to do yet.
Take your hat off. Take your beanie off. Like, do your hair and everything. Your ears. It's nuts.
Licking my eyes and everything.
That's gross. I'd never let a dog do that.
Why not?
Yeah.
See the front
Oh, she's in my ears.
You gonna
up
wash
your nose.
Are you gonna wash your face after?
Maybe.
Are you done yet? She loves me. Enough. Enough's enough. After a wash now. Oh, here we go. Behind the ears. Worse than my mother. Wash behind her ears. She's licking in my ears now.
That's weird shit.
She obviously feels loved. Either that, or she's fucking starving hungry. And that she's not.
Well, I reckon she's been doing it for probably 6 minutes or so now, because I've been taping for 2.5,
Mm-hmm.
and she's been doing it heaps before that, and she's still pretty keen.
What's it all about?
No idea.
Oh,
She's going for the Guinness World Record of dog licking face. I think you've got it, mate.
oh.
I think you've won.
There's got to be an insecurity issue there.
I don't know. It's quite weird.
That's enough. Okay?
Alright,
That's enough.
turn around and smile at the camera.
I'm afraid what you called me, hey, pretty
Smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera. You want to lick the camera? Good girl. You're a nutter.